Welcome to the continuation of this Edo and makeup tutorial. This is number 6. So this video is very large. I split this video. This is the number 6 video. So in case you want to know how we get to this stage, the videos are down below. How I make this Edo traditional bridal hair by myself. So now it's makeup time. What I just spray on my face before is primer and setting spray. So the next thing you are seeing there is primer cream. I want you to focus, because on that day I said let me make this Edo bridal hair by myself because of my 17 years marriage anniversary. So that was last year. So this year now will complete 18. So but the video how we start this head wrap, in case you want to have it, is I just split the video. So go down my YouTube, you will see, and if you are watching from Facebook, you will see I write it there, number 1, number 2. So this one is number 6. Take your time, because there's no knowledge that is waste. So right now I'm applying foundation all over my face. So you concentrate and see how we achieve this look. So what I am doing there now is this thing. What was the name? Concealer. So I use the bright color that is very, very brighter than my shade. So I'm going to bring it down with the color that is 2 color lighter than my color. So you just see, all I want from you is focus. So this is what we call Operation Do It Yourself. Operation Do Everything by yourself. There is nothing you can't do if you learn. If you learn, you must learn. You must learn. No, in case you are watching me for the first time, I based in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. Oh, I do everything, all beauty. Go to my Instagram. The name is Deck Beauty. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. I'm into everything beauty. I do makeup, I do gele, I do tradition. This traditional hair, this one, I make this one by myself. I say this head, I will do it by myself. Though it was so stressful, but I managed to achieve it, at least for my photo shoots. Yes, so now the face. Now is the face time. So what I'm doing there, I'm just using darker color of the pressed powder to contour my face, for me to have that V face. So just wash. Book me for your event. I have studio here for London. You can come and have your photo shoots, in case you want to have your photo shoot. These days people don't even do party. These days people do photo shoots. So now we are going to draw the eyebrows. That is it. Operation Do Everything by Yourself. That is my name. That is why most time I always carry you guys along to see how I achieve my things. Though it's not easy filming, and if you are filming, you are creating, is 2 things. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. So I say because if I tell you guys that I was the one that make my Edo hair by myself, Edo traditional hair by myself, the makeup, I know the makeup you will believe, but this Edo head wrap, it's not easy to achieve it. But I say to myself, I can do it. Okay, my eyebrows is looking sleek, beautiful. Yes. So I'm just trying to create some some stroke more. That is it. So I want you to enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. When it's tutorial video, not everybody have interest. If it's a proco video, like come and hear what happen, come and hear this thing, come and hear this, come and hear all those aproko tafia video. Before you know it, they will gather there. They want to go and wash. But when it comes to tutorial video, they will just scroll. They will just push the video in one corner. They'll just go and check the latest aproko. Okay, so that is it. So that thing I'm applying there now is the eyeshadow base. So all these products, in case you want to buy, I said them, they are original. I will post it to you wherever you are. So all these products, I have them. So that day I said I will do little bit eyeshadow because of the traditional outfit. So I don't want to do my eyeshadow very natural like as usual, the way I do every Sunday. You know, me, I like natural eyeshadow, but on that day, I said I will do a little bit of eyeshadow. I want to apply little bit of gold. So what I am just doing here now, I'm blending. Now, I take the dark brown. That color you see there is dark brown. Make sure you apply it in the area of your eyebrow. Don't spread it too much to the. Don't let that thing get closer to your eyebrows area. No. So let that dark brown end there where your eyebrow, you know, where your eyebrow is. So that is dark brown. Then now, and I use the lighter brown to blend it. What I'm using there now is, after I use the dark brown, now I take the lighter brown to blend the edge so that you will not see the demarcation. That place will not be obvious. I just used lighter brown to blend it. So what I am doing there now, I just apply gold. You know, we have different type of gold. This is white gold, not white gold like a wine gold. So I just apply it a little bit there. I don't want it too much. Now I apply more gold, like the blinky one, little bit, the powder sparkly one. That is what I'm applying now. All these things I have them. Everything I'm using, I have them as I set them. With the video, you can't see it proper. You can't see it proper, but if you focus your eye, you will see. Me, anything I want to do, I do my makeup by myself because I'm capable of doing it. Now I'm blending the whole of the face. Oh, this video will finish very soon now because I don't want this video to be too large. Once this video finishes, see you on my next video for the continuation. Yes, my name is Tech Beauty. These are all my service screenshots. Contact me. My number is at the end of this video. You will see my number very soon. So I will see you in the continuation of this airdrop. Stay tuned. See, my number is there green. Bye.